If you need an equal gender sample from SurveyMonkey, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step so you can set balanced audience targets with confidence. This is especially useful when you want more accurate survey results and you need to make sure your responses are split evenly between genders. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Now let's jump in. First, go to SurveyMonkey in your browser and sign into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, click on your survey so you can open the project you want to work with. After that, head into the analysis area by clicking Analyze Results. This is where SurveyMonkey gives you access to audience and response settings. Next, look for the option to buy responses. This step takes you into the audience tools where you can choose how your sample should be balanced. Once you're inside that section, click on Gender. This is the setting that lets you control the gender distribution of your sample. Now click Add Balancing. This tells SurveyMonkey that you want to apply balancing rules to your audience selection. After that, choose Custom. Custom balancing gives you more control over how the sample is split, which is exactly what you want when you need equal numbers. At this point, set both gender groups to 50%. This is the key step that ensures your sample is evenly divided. Make sure both sides are adjusted correctly before moving forward, because even a small mismatch can affect your final results. Take a moment to double check the numbers so everything adds up properly. Once both gender settings are at 50%, click Apply. SurveyMonkey will save your balancing preferences and use those settings for your response targeting. From there, your sample will be configured to better reflect an equal gender split, which can make your survey data more consistent and easier to compare. And that's it. You've now learned how to get an equal gender sample from SurveyMonkey. It's a simple process once you know where to look, and it can make a big difference in the quality of your survey results. If this tutorial saved you time, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.